The Ba Gua mirror is a very typical Feng Shui cure to ward off evil and negative qi surrounding your house. In today's video, we want to talk about how to use it properly and the different types of the Ba Gua mirrors. Here are some basic functions of placing Ba Gua mirrors. The Ba Gua mirror acts as a Feng Shui cure to counter many different types of exterior Sha Qi or the negative Qi. For example, when your house is facing a T-junction traffic, when the traffic is directly pointing to your house, or when your house is facing an electric pole, or facing the in types of buildings such as temple, church, or cemetery, or facing sharp angled building or sharp triangular objects, or facing water towers, those are considered Sha Qi in Feng Shui. So what's the general rules to placing a Ba Gua mirror? First, we place the Ba Gua mirror outside of the exterior of the building and avoid placing inside the building. And for the Ba Gua, there are two types. One is a pre-heaven Ba Gua and the later heaven Ba Gua. And we should use the pre-heaven Ba Gua. For the pre-heaven Ba Gua or the 先天 Ba Gua, there is a 乾 Gua, that's 3 unbroken lines that's representing the heaven qi that should be placed on the top going up, and the kun Gua, that's the 6 little lines or the 3 broken lines that's representing the earthly qi, and it should be pointing to the bottom. And that's the direction we should follow when we install a Ba Gua mirror. And the last thing is to create a little ceremony before installing your Feng Shui cure. And it's the same with all the Feng Shui cure. Creating your own ceremony will make the Ba Gua mirror more powerful as a Feng Shui cure. Here is a picture of the pre-heaven Ba Gua. The placement of the 8 trigrams are different in the later heaven Ba Gua. In the pre-heaven Ba Gua, the Qian Gua is on the top and the Kun Gua is in the bottom. So the heaven qi is going up and the earthly qi is pointing down, and that's the way it should be in the nature. There are basically 3 types of the Ba Gua mirror. One is the convex type when the mirror is protruding out, and the second type is the concave type, and the third type is the flat one. And each mirror functions differently. The first one is the convexed type with the mirror projecting outward. This one can be a little dangerous because it reflects the Sha Qi directly back to the original source. And it also scatters the Qi, including your money Qi. So be careful where you place your convex Ba Gua mirror because it might reflect the harmful Sha Qi back to your neighbor. And try not to place it directly in front of the building because of the scattering of your own qi. The second type of the mirror is the concave one. It absorbs and reverses the Sha Qi without reflecting back, so it's not as harmful as the first type. The concave Ba Gua mirror collects the Sha Qi and transforms it and also dissipates the Sha Qi. So it's more gentle and doesn't fight with your neighbor directly. The third type of the Ba Gua mirror is the flat one, and this one is neutral compared to the convex or the concave Ba Gua mirror. So no matter what type of the Ba Gua mirror you choose, just install it so the mirror is directly facing the direction of the Sha Qi. For example, install the mirror so the mirror is directly facing a electric pole or some triangular sharp object. This can reduce the negative Sha Qi and also bring protection to your house. That's the video for today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.